Texas Ranch Road 12 sits in between the Austin and San Antonio metros and has a little something for everyone: sights, shopping, dining, and most importantly, great motorcycle riding. I'm Justin, aka Biking Bird, and I'm one of your hosts here at MotorcycleDestinations.com, and here's why you should make Texas Ranch Road 12 your next motorcycle destination. Texas Ranch Road 12 runs 37 miles from San Marcos to just north of Dripping Springs. It takes you just under an hour to run it one way, and on our MD difficulty scale, this route is a 2 out of 5. The southern end in San Marcos runs through the suburbs, so there is a bit of traffic there, but quickly turns into a nice 2-lane riding road. Pavement conditions are great throughout the whole ride, with quite a bit of elevation change as well. Most turns are nice, gentle, cambered sweepers, with a handful that are a bit tighter just to keep things interesting. This whole area is a hotbed for great routes. I highly recommend either Guadalupe River Road to the south or Lime Creek Road to the north, both of which have been featured right here on Motorcycle Destinations, where we help you find your next destination in 3 minutes or less. This route will also take you through the towns of Wimberley and Dripping Springs. Wimberley is a tourist hotspot. It's got a nice downtown area with tons of restaurants and little shops that I'm sure your significant other would love to go into just to look. Dripping Springs, on the other hand, is much more commercialized and often considered part of the Austin suburbs, so you'll find plenty of dining and lodging options here as well.